Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve glitch on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve glitch on Roblox app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Roblox and you will enter here in this page. As you see, you will go to Roblox. After that, in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.